Let's talk about poop, folks. It's incredibly important. You might not think about it often, but it's a crucial part of your health. Pooping is your body's way of taking out the trash. Just like you wouldn't let garbage pile up in your home, you shouldn't let waste accumulate in your body. When you eat, your body takes what it needs and gets rid of the rest. This process ensures that your body gets the nutrients it requires while discarding what it doesn't. Regular bowel movements are a sign of a healthy digestive system. They indicate that everything is functioning smoothly and efficiently. They help remove waste and toxins from your body. This is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing the buildup of harmful substances. You're also eliminating bacteria, dead cells, and other things your body doesn't need. This keeps your internal environment clean and balanced. Now, what happens if you stop pooping? Well, that's what we're here to talk about today. It's more serious than you might think. Holding in your poop or being unable to go can lead to some serious health issues. Constipation can cause discomfort, pain, and even more severe complications. Your body is designed to eliminate waste regularly. This natural process is vital for your well-being. In this article, we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of what happens when you stop pooping. We'll explore the potential health risks and what you can do to maintain regular bowel movements. So buckle up and get ready for a journey through your digestive system. Understanding this process can help you take better care of your health and well-being. Let's take a trip through your digestive system. Your mouth is the first stop. Here, your teeth break down the food and saliva starts to digest it. Then you swallow, and the food travels down your esophagus to your stomach. In your stomach, things really get going. Stomach acid and enzymes break down the food even more. It turns into a soupy mixture called chyme. From there, it moves into your small intestine. This is where most of the nutrients are absorbed into your bloodstream. Next up is the large intestine, also known as the colon. When your rectum is full, it sends a signal to your brain. Pretty amazing, right? Now you can see why it's so important to keep this system running smoothly. So why do people stop pooping? One of the most common reasons is constipation. Constipation happens when your stool moves too slowly through your digestive tract. This can make your poop hard and dry, making it difficult to pass. One major cause of constipation is not drinking enough water. Without enough water, your poop can become hard and dry. Another common cause is a lack of fiber in your diet. Fiber helps bulk up your stool and makes it easier to pass. Certain medications can also cause constipation. Stress and changes in routine can also throw off your digestive system. Ignoring the urge to go is another reason people might stop pooping. It's important to listen to your body's natural urges and go when you need to. Now, let's talk about what happens when you don't poop for a few days. At first, you might not notice much, but soon things start to get uncomfortable. You might feel bloated and gassy. Your stomach might feel hard and swollen. These are signs that waste is building up in your system. As more time passes, you might start to feel pain in your abdomen. You might also feel nauseous or lose your appetite. Another short-term effect is a general feeling of sluggishness. In some cases, not pooping can lead to a condition called fecal impaction. This is why it's so important not to ignore constipation for too long. Section 5. The long haul. Chronic constipation and its consequences. Chronic constipation is more than just an occasional inconvenience. It can be a persistent and debilitating condition. If constipation continues for weeks or months, we're talking about chronic constipation. This isn't just a minor issue, it's a significant health concern that requires attention. This can have some serious long-term effects on your body. The impact isn't limited to just your digestive system, it can affect your overall well-being. One of the biggest concerns is damage to your colon. Over time, the constant pressure and straining can lead to significant wear and tear. When you're constantly straining to poop, it can cause small tears in your anal tissue. These tears, known as anal fissures, can be incredibly painful and may lead to further complications. Chronic constipation can also lead to hemorrhoids. These are not just uncomfortable but can also be quite painful and may require medical treatment. These are swollen veins in your rectum or anus. Hemorrhoids can cause bleeding, itching, and significant discomfort during bowel movements. Another potential complication is a prolapsed rectum. This occurs when the rectum slips out of its usual place, which can be both painful and distressing. Long-term constipation can also affect other parts of your body. The pressure from a backed-up colon can extend to other organs. It can put pressure on your bladder, making it hard to pee. This can lead to urinary retention and increase the risk of urinary tract infections. The waste in your body can also lead to a buildup of toxins, which might make you feel sick or tired all the time. This toxic buildup can affect your energy levels and overall health. It's crucial to address chronic constipation to avoid these serious issues. Seeking medical advice and making lifestyle changes can help manage and alleviate the symptoms, improving your quality of life. Section 6. Gut instincts, warning signs you shouldn't ignore. Alright folks, let's talk about some warning signs that your body might be giving you. These are signals that you should never ignore because they could be indicative of more serious health issues. Your body is pretty good at telling you when something's wrong. It's like an internal alarm system that alerts you to potential problems. When it comes to constipation, there are some red flags you shouldn't ignore. Constipation might seem like a minor inconvenience, but it can be a sign of something more serious. If you're having severe abdominal pain, especially if it comes with fever, it's time to see a doctor. This combination of symptoms could indicate an infection or other serious condition that needs immediate attention. Blood in your stool is another big warning sign. This is not something to take lightly. A little bit of bright red blood might just be from straining, which can happen if you're constipated, but if you're seeing dark, tarry stools, that could mean bleeding higher up in your digestive tract. This is a serious condition that requires medical attention. Unexplained weight loss is another thing to watch out for. Losing weight without trying can be a sign of various health issues, including digestive problems. If you're losing weight without trying, especially if you're also constipated, it could be a sign of something serious. This combination of symptoms should prompt you to seek medical advice. Finally, pay attention to how long you've been constipated. Occasional constipation is normal, but prolonged constipation can be a sign of a more serious issue. If it's been more than a week or two, it's time to take action. Chronic constipation can lead to complications and should be addressed by a healthcare professional. Section 7. Breaking the blockage medical treatments for constipation. When home remedies aren't cutting it, it might be time for medical treatment. One common treatment is laxatives. These come in different forms and work in different ways. Stool softeners are another option. These work by drawing water into your intestines to soften your stool. Your doctor might also recommend an enema. For more severe cases, there are prescription medications available. In rare cases, surgery might be necessary. It's a last resort, but it can be life-changing for people with severe constipation. Section 8. Natural remedies, gentle ways to get things moving. Now let's talk about some natural ways to get your bowels moving. One of the simplest things you can do is drink more water. Staying hydrated helps keep your stool soft and easy to pass. Exercise is another great natural remedy. Physical activity helps stimulate your intestines. Even a short walk after meals can make a big difference. Yoga can be especially helpful. Herbal teas can also be helpful for constipation. Peppermint tea, for example, can help relax the muscles in your digestive tract. Probiotics are another natural option to consider. These are good bacteria that live in your gut. They help keep your digestive system healthy and can improve bowel regularity. Section 9. Prevention is key habits for a happy gut. As with many health issues, prevention is the best medicine when it comes to constipation. Developing good bathroom habits is a great place to start. Don't ignore the urge to go when you feel it. Also, try to establish a regular bathroom routine. Stress management is another important factor in preventing constipation. Stress can wreak havoc on your digestive system. Find ways to relax and unwind. Regular exercise is not just good for treating constipation, it's great for preventing it too. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Finally, pay attention to your posture on the toilet. Try using a small stool to raise your feet while you're on the toilet. Section 10. Diet matters: foods that keep you regular. Your diet plays a huge role in keeping you regular. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to preventing constipation. It adds bulk to your stool and helps it move through your intestines. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber a day. Good sources include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Prunes are a classic remedy for constipation, and for good reason. They're high in fiber and contain natural laxatives. Other fruits like apples, pears, and berries are also great for keeping you regular. Healthy fats can also help keep things moving. Olive oil, avocados, and nuts are all good choices. What you drink matters too. Warm liquids in particular can stimulate your digestive system. Section 11. The bottom line. Taking care of your digestive health. Alright folks, we've covered a lot of ground today. Let's wrap things up with some key takeaways. First and foremost, regular pooping is important for your overall health. Don't ignore constipation if it happens. The sooner you address it, the easier it is to treat. Stay hydrated, eat a high-fiber diet, exercise regularly, and manage your stress. If you do experience constipation, try some of the natural remedies we discussed. If these don't work, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. Remember, your digestive health is an important part of your overall well-being. Here's to happy, healthy pooping.